I'm lazy.
Bees here, we find a nest.
Looking at us here. Tired. Yeah. Easy tire where the bees come out from. See? Yeah. Easy tire where the bees come out from. Yeah. Nice. I'm getting you inside already.
And Sarah, here the tire was. Tidy.
We have to dig all we get.
Yeah.
Pull it up. And I'm see we going anyway. I want to get one and a ceiling.
I feel like I put them up on Facebook.
Yeah. Next time I get one and a ceiling. Let's see something. Let's see that. Yeah, we try to get in all the bees here. Then put in the queen. These is the lazy fellas. These is Africans. Them is unruly. They don't want to go in the box. You see them? They like them fellas some part of the map. Unruly guys. I'm going to call them. You leave this in there, right?
Unruly. The queen inside, the most important thing.
Yeah, everybody will do this.
We say come off for later.
The box, you know?
Or leave it here?
Yeah. These will suck until I get up.
Somebody can't go with your box.
Oh, no. Mama, yeah. The tip in there? Yeah, this is what we get. This is little honey we get in it. Yeah.
There is a box.
Sure. Nice piece of honey cone here. Nice how it is being
One
from
of the few.
anywhere. You want to wear yeah, you know what I feel? Get a